Now, what exactly I wanted to show you are the manage labels.
Okay.
Under manage label, you have labels, different kind of labels. What are this? If I click on it, you have all the add comments, add content, all of them are there. You will type all. Now, why I'm showing you this? Because if you want to add new labels under it, like I go to, let's say, page number 4. See, assignment history,
Mm-hmm.
bar chart. These things you can assign in your level, I mean, drop downs that you see. Then you have in different languages, that is look at. So in Arabic, what will be said, like this will be called, okay, decimal pattern, these are all these things for a particular location. So when I choose, when I go to look at any locale and I say, okay, I am choosing, let's say, uh, I'm working in China. Okay. So of course I
Okay.
need Chinese language there, the Mandarin. So I will search for it like I go to Chinese. See,
Mm-hmm.
so there will be a locale called Chinese created. So that when you create any item for specifically China, you will see this locale will be chosen. The moment you choose it, all these parameters will automatically get assigned to that item. Like the summary, automatically everything will start looking like, I mean, in Chinese language, the currency will automatically change to CNY. Like I created an item, I said, okay, it will, this training is will cost around $500. Let's say for an example,
Okay.
but I am providing this training in China, so dollar doesn't work there. Let's say for an example,
Mm-hmm.
this is what yuan is the currency for China, correct? So how would system know that? System will automatically calculate it. Calculate it how? How? So because we have done all
Mm-hmm.
the settings from the backend,
Okay.
that the moment you choose Chinese locale,
Okay.
automatically all these data will automatically get updated on your training, like
Okay.
the decimal patterns of any amount, like decimal
Okay.
pattern will work like this. So if I say $500, system will automatically count it in yen, yuan
Oh, okay.
pattern, currency pattern. See, then if you go to level of this particular, the level ID is when it says level, the setting applies to PWA only. Okay. See, so this is level means in different languages how it will show. Most of the things are already set up these things. Of course, you can't go and write all these things in a particular language, right? But what
Correct.
I'm trying to say, you don't have to do it on all of them. Most of the things are already created. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
But if you want to, you can go to view level changes and you can make any changes particularly for yourself,
Mm.
for your see all this data. So you don't
Uh,
have to worry about it. So labels means level is what? How you see on the front end.
oh, okay.
Yeah? Local means in which particular local language.
Okay.
And when I say label, how it will look like. So it says the local label is Chinese. So
Okay.
you see Chinese. If I change it to Mandarin, what is that called? Mandarin, it will call Mandarin. Label means simply what you see on the front end.
Oh,
So if I go to the system as a user and I try to run this system, how
okay.
what will I see? So will it say Chinese? Will it say Mandarin? Will it say
Oh, okay.
Spanish? Yeah, how will it look like? Label means what you see on the front end, not in the back end. So that's what it says. It says you created a locale, and now what? How this locale will look like,
Oh,
which
okay.
will be called as locale. I mean Chinese. This is for under in which language do you want to see this?
Okay.
As simple as
Oh.
that. If I
Because but
choose Chinese here and I want to enroll in this item will be in Chinese language. Now you go to this import and export, and from here you can import.
oh,
You choose any one. If you have to, if you have to run, you have to create a lot of change, lot of labels. Is it possible manually to go and change word by word?
okay, okay.
No,
Got it.
right? So
Oh,
what you
okay.
do,
Got
you
it.
do it. So you add anything. I go to the list.
Interesting.
I choose any one of them. See, in this language. I select this one. I'm adding, and once you have the email ID there, you will receive
Okay.
that there automatically. Here in export, you make the changes and you go to the import again and you
Okay.
import, and now you import. So you go to next, choose your file, whichever you have selected there, and you click on next and you upload. Automatically, all the levels that you have created in one will be updated in your computer.
Okay.
Okay. Now we haven't completed item yet. Why? Because you can see we have just done one part of it. One part is means if I open any item, we have all these email notifications,
Yep.
online content. Where do we create all of them?
Okay.
So this will come under this only, the system
Okay.
and all. Where do
Okay.
you create email notification? So the when you
Okay.
have already created email notification, then only you can use any notification that you want to assign.
Okay.
When edit the registration email notification for the item. When you edit anything in the item, then what notification will be triggered? Edit the withdrawal email notification. If I enrolled somewhere, but somehow I want to withdraw from this, then what notification will I receive?
Okay.
Okay. If I am the wait list, edit the wait list email notification means
Okay.
I enrolled somewhere, but I am not confirmed there. I am in the wait list. Then what notification will I receive?
Okay.
So all these things we will create from here. Whichever I want to, I will launch editor or use the tokens. If you have created a new one, you can go add all the changes.
It's different.
Now this is attachment. So if
Oh.
you want to add any attachment there, like along with this notification, you want to send something else as well. Any attachment, like
Mm.
maybe any certificate or something.
Okay.